Over the past few years, I've been working on being more intentional about how I shop and build my wardrobe. Today, I'm taking this to the next level by digitally cataloging everything in my closet. My goal is to create a bird's eye view of what I own so that I can make more informed shopping decisions and ensure that every new addition down the road complements my existing collection. I'll be using a straightforward and stress-free cataloging system and sharing my process along the way. Before we begin, I'd like to thank Notion for sponsoring this video. I've considered cataloging my wardrobe for a while. 4 years ago, it would have taken days due to its sheer volume. But today, I'm confident in my personal style and am no longer intimidated by the size of my wardrobe. I think it's important to be aware of exactly what and how much I own so that I have a clear picture when planning to make a purchase, whether thrifted or new. A digital catalog can be helpful in various ways, but it depends on what makes the most sense for your current situation. Are you looking for easier outfit planning? Do you want a better understanding of the colors or styles you wear the most? Or are you interested in tracking the cost per wear for each item? Once you understand your why, the entire cataloging process will be much easier and purposeful. Numerous apps are available for digitally cataloging a wardrobe, and while they're undoubtedly useful, there's a unique satisfaction in thinking of something and making it yourself. That's why I chose to use Notion for this personal project. Even though I discovered the app just a few months ago, I use it daily and I've quickly become accustomed to it due to its ease of use. I've already created my own personal dashboard, which was featured in the video before this one, and I really appreciate that it has such a wide range of functionality. What's better is that it has AI built in, so in mere seconds I can have any question answered, further enhancing my workflow. For my digital catalog, my aim was to ensure simplicity and clarity when inputting each item and its respective details. This is one of the main reasons why I knew that creating my own cataloging system would be the right move for me. Initially, I considered removing all the items from my wardrobe to categorize, photograph, and log them. However, I ultimately decided it would be more efficient and effective to tackle my closet section by section. For this project, the only items required were a stool for overhead photography, a plain background for item placement, a phone for capturing images and logging items, and a steamer for the odd touch-up. The process was simple: style, photograph, and log. I started with the most tedious items like bodysuits and folded pieces because I knew I had my work cut out for me. I had watched other videos on how to neatly arrange items when laid flat, so I applied the same principles to mine. The general guideline was to tuck in areas around the armpits and crotch, zip up zippers, and fasten buttons. I photographed my clothing and handbags on my white duvet cover, and for shoes, I positioned them on a white towel on my dresser, using the plain white wall as a backdrop. To ensure the quality of each photo, I utilized the leveling and grid features in the iPhone camera app. After taking the image, I opened my Notion app and added a new entry to my wardrobe catalog database. I added the image as a cover photo, then proceeded to fill out the important details including item brand and name, size, category, fabric, color, season, and whether or not it required alterations or repairs. I continued with this process until every item was logged. It was a workout. Having completed the more challenging part of the project, I began to add the finishing touches to my wardrobe catalog. Basically, the fun part. Although having a wide view of all my possessions was useful, I wanted to delve deeper to address the common thoughts that arise when I'm considering a new purchase or planning outfits. Over the past few years, I've come to understand the importance of maintaining my clothes and tailoring them to fit properly. So I added a list view of the items that require further attention. Being aware of what needs alteration or repair will help me maximize my wardrobe and prevent unnecessary purchases. Next, I added a section that displays the capsules I own for each season. This view allows me to quickly identify gaps in my collection and plan appropriately for the upcoming season and its events. Finally, I included a reference section for future purchases and a wish list for good measure. I utilized Notion's AI features to generate a list of pre-purchase questions, format them into a checklist, and then put them into the most logical order. I also used Notion AI to develop a detailed table of fabrics to stay informed while shopping. All I have to do is open the Notion app on my phone and refer to this section. This is another reason why I consider this app essential for all my projects. It simplifies tasks like this significantly and saves me a lot of time in the process. And with that, the digital cataloging of my wardrobe is complete. The project seemed daunting at first, but with the right setup and system in place, I was able to achieve the goal with very little overwhelm. And the results exceeded my expectations. If you're interested in creating a digital catalog of your own wardrobe, you can use my template at the link in the description. Like I mentioned, if you can think it, you can probably make it happen with Notion. Try it for free at the link in the description and unlock the power of AI for only $10 a month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.